कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है। उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है। वेलकम टू टीआरएस क्लास। आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको फेमस पर्सन की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं?
नहीं
नहीं?
नहीं
कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं?
आई थिंक वेरी नॉर्मली मेरे दो ग्रुप्स है फ्रेंड्स के. वन इज़ अ फन ग्रुप that we just hang out, we go. I haven't had alcohol in the last 6 years,
नाइस।
so that part of my life is kind of done. But I mean, yeah, so I have a friend group, like a chill group that I hang out with sometimes, but I have like certain friends who've been my friends for like 20-22 years. So we meet more for like coffees and green tea and stuff like that, and we
नाइस।
really have, we speak a lot, we're in touch, but we don't share much of our work stuff. So we talk about everything other than work.
व्हाई डिड यू स्टॉप ड्रिंकिंग?
I don't know why, but at some point, I just started feeling not good when I drank alcohol. I started feeling a little bit of anxiety. I did not enjoy it. I started feeling panicky. And then I'm like, okay, so I'm not liking this. My body is not
Is
accepting it.
rejecting it.
It's rejecting it almost. So I was like, "ठीक है, बन, stop." So no alcohol, no partying, clubbing. I mean, I like to hang out with people, but there's just no alcohol involved with me. They can drink, but
लाइक एक कहावत है मिलेनियल्स को लेकर कि द सेम पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू क्लब्स एंड पार्टिंग व्हेन दे वर 18 और 19 आर गोइंग फॉर कीर्तन्स एंड मेडिटेशन
listen, I
क्लासेस नाउ।
started drinking when I was 14.
ओह
I mean, not
वाओ।
started drinking, like I've had alcohol and all when I was 14. So
क्यों?
school,
जैसे आसपास के लोगों की वजह
हाँ,
से।
मज़ा, school, going out.
रिबेलियसनेस।
हाँ, it was fun at that, and at that point of time in school, college, it was fun. I used to enjoy myself, when I was drinking. But एक point के बाद में it started becoming a panic.
We have a nice phase of partying for 10 years and then you
हाँ,
realize okay, time to grow up now.
बस अब बस हो गया. Let's grow up. Yeah.
Yeah, and I see the same pattern a lot. मेरे आसपास ना दो टाइप के मिलेनियल्स हैं। एक आपकी तरह जिन्होंने चिल कर लिया, मैं भी उसी
हाँ.
कैटेगरी में
Oh,
हूँ
great. So
कि
you've also stopped drinking.
बहुत हार्ड पार्टिंग करी है, बट
बहुत.
एट दिस
I can
पॉइंट
imagine.
ग्रीन टी में ही पार्टी ढूंढ लेते हैं।
Absolutely. Yeah, green tea, a good episode of Friends, talking to your friends, sleeping at night, waking up early, going for a walk.
Yeah,
This is life and this is fun.
yeah,
है ना?
yeah. मेरे एक और मिलेनियल दोस्त से बातें हो रही थी कि आई फील कि एटलीस्ट हमारे इस ग्रुप में ना एवरीवनस गोइंग बैक टू व्हाट दे एंजॉयड एज किड्स
I think so.
एंड दैट्स डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल।
Yeah.
Anyway, but so friends for some people. Like for me, it's become a lot of. I've gotten back into football and PlayStation. It sounds
How
immature,
nice.
but मैं balance कर लेता
No,
हूँ
but
उसको।
इसमें immature क्या है? I think it's great. Even अगर देखेंगे तो all of your senses, it's like
Yeah,
even people who race, they practice so much of that
Yeah.
thing ना. What is that called?
Uh,
वो जो भी
reflex
है,
reflex
हाँ.
को
So
train करते हैं।
I think it's greट.
वैसे आप भी गेमर हो, मेरे को पता है आपने PUBG खेला
मैंने
बहुत।
PUBG लॉकडाउन में बहुत खेला
बहुत।
था. मैंने लोगों को बहुत गाली भी दी. It was so much fun. I was like, this is so much fun.
Yeah.
You're talking to random people from Bihar, इधर से उधर से. I was like, great.
Were you good at PUBG?
I think I was good.
Yeah.
I'm good at games
Oh,
whenever I
really?
play. Yeah.
कैसे?
So मेरी basically क्या है, मेरी जो school थी, oh great, lovely. I love talking about my school. It was a very different kind of school.
Christ?
नहीं, Christ was not a good experience for
Okay.
me. It's a great college, but yeah. So my school, we didn't have exams till the 7th, 8th standard. तो हमारे एग्जाम्स नहीं होते थे. हमें प्रोजेक्ट्स वर गिवन, बट आई स्टिल रोट माई 10th ICSE.
कितना मिला?
88. तो no exams, given projects. We had so much of sport, so much of extracurriculars. So we were constantly on stage, speaking on stage or dancing or performing or something or the other. And we had every sport possible: swimming, skating, football, cricket, badminton, sculpture, yoga. I'm a yoga interstate winner also.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm not that flexible, but yeah, so we had every sport possible, and girls and guys used to play the same sports. Guys used to do sculpture as well, and girls used to play cricket and hockey and football as well. So my school is the best.
कौन
Was
से
the
स्कूल
best.
में आप?
It was called Vidya Shilp Academy. मतलब
Okay.
अभी भी है, थोड़ा
ये
बहुत
बैंगलोर
चेंज
में?
हुआ है. बैंगलोर.
विद्याशिल्प अकेडमी.
विद्या शिल्प अकेडमी. लवली स्कूल. तो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स पे बहुत फोकस था ऑलवेज. और इवन स्टडी मतलब जो हमारी पढ़ाई होती थी, वी यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बिकॉज देयर वाज नो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मगिंग अप एंड राइटिंग बिकॉज यू हैड टू क्रिएट अ प्रोजेक्ट, सो यू हैड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर स्टडिंग. अब जैसे हम अगर पढ़ रहे सिविक्स, सो वी हैड टू मेक 2 political parties. We really had to do that, you know, so you understand every step of how it functions.
Like deep
So,
understanding of
yeah,
something.
yeah, so no exams na.
अब फ्रंट बेंचर थे कि बैक बेंचर?
Back.
बैक ना?
Yeah.
कि है वो एनर्जी. Like अभी बहुत फ्रंट बेंचर एनर्जी है आपकी, but I can tell it's some evolution that's gone
Yeah,
on.
I think so. Yeah, back.
No?
But I've always been a very sweet girl. Like I've been naughty but very sweet.
Okay.
Because my parents were always like, they can call us to school, it's okay, but don't do anything bad. You can be naughty but you can't be bad.
आप असिस्ट करते थे.
हाँ, मतलब मेरा
Peak
क्या होता
villains को.
था, हंसना,
Okay.
चुपके से खाना खाना,
Okay.
you know, that kind of
कभी
stupidity.
कॉपी किया टेस्ट में?
नहीं,
नहीं.
नहीं, कॉपी तो नहीं किया.
That's the real test. कमीनापन जरूरी होता है जिंदगी में?
नहीं,
नहीं.
नहीं.
No? Should
No.
be nice.
I think you should be right. Like I know today, in today's world, everybody believes that there's no right and wrong, there is gray, and somewhere even the divine says that. But शायद मैं उस level तक अभी तक नहीं पहुंची हूँ. I certainly believe there is a right and there is a wrong. You know?
तो कॉपिंग अनएथिकल होता है?
नहीं, वो सब ठीक है. That is fine. It's a small thing. वो चलता है. See, कभी कभी you copy. Sometimes you help your friends also ना by showing them.
That's how I look at it. Correct.
So what?
Correct.
It's great. It's friendship. It's not bad.
वही पता है जिस
These things are not counted.
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एक भाई की वजह से मैं पास हुआ था, जो मेरे पीछे बैठते थे, वो बहुत कुछ बताते थे एग्जाम हॉल में. तो एवरी ईयर आई मैसेज हिम सेइंग थैंक यू बिकॉज ऑफ यू हैव
How
अ यूट्यूब
sweet.
करियर.
Really?
हाँ.
So you have a lot of gratitude inside you. That's
सिद्धार्थ
great.
बडानी. और
Great.
वो योर वेलकम भी कहते हैं. आई रियली
How
फील कि आई एम अ यूट्यूबर
sweet.
बिकॉज ऑफ दैट गाय.
How sweet. No, it's good to give credit. I think
Yeah,
that's amazing. And that shows how nice you are. You know, that you have so much of gratitude.
हाँ मतलब आई फील कि हर इंसान की लाइफ में ना वीक फेजेस होते हैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग फेजेस होते
100
हैं.
ग्राफ है ना, ऊपर है नीचे है, ऊपर वही तो ग्राफ.
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.